Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you about the crypto's price prediction of the real project for holding or investing with the cryptocurrency, right? If you check on the first page in the crypto bubble or you check on the first page in the coins market cap, you will see a lot of crypto is today increase, right? Or the green day, right? And how do you think about the GLM? Today GLM can increase to more than 50%. Or the Luna is down 16%. Luna C is down 12% in already. Yeah, so you don't worry. This is the cycle. After it high or fry, it will go down to the it will go down to hit the support, right? It will go to hit the support, and then it will go high again, right? This is the simple, or this is the cycle of the cryptocurrency, so you don't worry. But if you are investing with cryptocurrencies long term, you should choose the real project and holdings long term, and you can selling at a higher price, right? Today I'm show you the Revencoin, right? You know already the Revencoin is the coin blockchain or the coins network. If you see 1 week ago, it will increase to 66%. It is very interesting, right? From 0.03 and until to the 0.6. Is that mean it's nearly 100%, right? It's nearly 100% for increase price. Or if you holdings 1 week ago, today you earn about the 50 or 60%. Is that mean you if you investing your capital is $10, for you earn around $4 easy, right? Or $6 easy, because the only 1 week Revencoin can increase to 60%, right? It is very good. If you check on the coins market cap, you will see surprise with the Revencoin, right? Because the Revencoin's maximum supply is showing, right, 21 million, 21 million, and total supply is 10 million, liquidity supply 10 million, and 50% of the liquidity supply is holding, right? This is the a lot of coins, but a lot of investor is holding 50% it already. And especially if you check 1 year, yeah Revencoin 1 year ago, it price 0.16, right? 0.16, and today is 0.05. That means if you buy around on the June 2022, is you buy at 0.02 or 0.03, that means you buy at the bottom, right? That means you buy at the bottom, and so now it can increase to 0.05. If you buy at the 0.02, 0.02, and multiply with the 0.05, 250, and you pay only 100, but that means you can earn 150%, right? 150% only 2 months from the June and until to the last August and the first on September 2022. You have only 2 months, you can earn more than 100% with the real blockchain, right? You can see here. Today it ranked on the number 72. Is that mean itself, and it's first page in the coins market cap. It first page on in the coins market cap, and it ranked on this number 72. And especially it is not token. This is the coin blockchain, right? And a lot of investor, they think that they can holding this coin, and especially they can mining. They can mining. You know already today, Ethereum, right? Ethereum is not open mining. It changed from the proof of work and to proof of stake it already, so you can mining Revencoin. It is the next of the Ethereum. I think that you can mine it, and you will change your profit if you mine the Revencoin, right? If you check all information, if you want to buy the Revencoin, or if you want to investing long term with the Revencoin, don't forget check it out with the white paper. Yeah, white paper is so you guys all information about the blockchain. Yeah, and document published by the blocks Venton. Yeah, and you can check it out here. Yeah, roadmap and the version. Yeah, and the paper and white paper. Yeah, it has 11 page, right? It has 11 page about the Revencoin. The Revencoin peer-to-peer. You have electric system for the creation and the transfer of asset. Yeah, this is that's good about the this project, right? And Sprott Fenton, yeah, Fraud Blade. Yeah, this is all information about the Revencoin. If you want to investing or holding trading with the Revencoin, yeah, you should check it all information about the Reven, yeah, white paper. This all because it's showing, yeah, it's showing all you guys. If you want to know or you want to know about the project, yeah, it's released this here all, yeah, it until to it from 2018, right, and until now 2022 is that mean 4 years already, right? It's 4 years already, and you can see here today it can increase to 4%, right? It is that mean 4%, and a lot of investor or traders they can trade profit daily. Yeah, easy, yeah, easy with the real project. Yeah, you can see here it can increase from the 0.02 and until to the 0.06. Yeah, it's you buying on the 0.02, you can earn around the 200%, right? 200% easy from the June and until to the 1st September or the last of the August 2022. And now it's still yeah, it's still pumping. And you can see here that's the resistance of the Reven coin. I'm seeing that it will hit to 0.07, right? It will hit to 0.07. Yeah, this is the real resistance, right? Okay, this here, yeah, it will hit this here 0.070. If you are buying on the 0.02, yeah, you can get the big profit, right? In you selling on 0.07, yeah, it's more than 200%, right? More than 200%, you can trade your profit easy with the Revencoin. Yeah, this is the good news about the Revencoin, or the good news about the who want investing with the cryptocurrency. Yeah, Revencoin is the best. You can holding, you can trading or staking. Yeah, easy. And wallet, yeah, desktop wallet, you can choose the Windows, Mac or Linux. Yeah, and GitHub release and Ethereum release. Yeah, easy. And you can see here a lot of wallet you can holding the Reven. Yeah, and if you want to buy the Binance, yeah, it's good. Yeah, it's good for the holding on Binance and selling, buying and anytime, because you can see here, check on the market. Yeah, Binance, Get.io, Qcoin, Hobby, Bitrix. Yeah, it has a lot of exchange listing and trading every day, right? And so you don't worry if you are buying or holding the Revencoin. Yeah, you can selling it anytime after you take your profit around the 1,000 or 10,000%, maybe 1 year later. Guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thank you.